Senator Bato today?
Opo.
And the Constitution and Senate, so we will stay here.
He will spend the night here.
That's what I,
So, ano yung paano yun, sir? Bantay sarado para hindi makapasok yung possible mag-try na mag-aresto kay Sen. Bato?
kaya naman we have already an agreement with the NBI, the
Opo.
PNP. They will abide by
Opo.
the decision of the new Senate inside the Senate premises.
Opo. Pero sir, ano po, na-sweep na yung building na wala ng mga taga...
Yeah, of course.
Na-sweep na. Pati sa compound, sir.
Within the
Opo. E paano yun, sir, may nagra-rally dun sa labas? Ano yung directive, sir?
Well, we allow everyone free expression.
Kahit
Andiyan naman yung NCRPO, pinadala ni Chief PNP to augment our security. Pag may CDM, cooperative na lang dyan sa labas.
Pero sir, paano yung mga employee bukas, pagpasok?
They can have free access.
Hindi ba makakason kung nandyan pa rin sila?
Medyo security will be a little tight lang.
tighter the usual,
Than
sir.
normal.
Opo.
Paano yung type? check
Medyo check ID. And, the usual stuff during elevated alert status.
Sir,
Yun.